So I need some music, bro. I'm not gonna play that long because I don't want to get flagged or whatever they do these days on YouTube. Just in case. I haven't been up to date to the trends, so I really don't know if they will kick me off for the music, but I would hope that it didn't because you guys are gonna benefit from this video. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. Now what I did was I used basically a napkin, you know. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. I just basically wrapped it into a dowel or rounded it off, whatever you want to call it. I uh I dipped it I dipped it in alcohol, you know, and I basically dropped it. And it's a lot easier this way because you don't want to use the Q-tips for this part. If anything, you only need a napkin and a razor blade with isopropyl alcohol at 91%, and you're gonna be all right. I'm gonna dip it again, but I'm gonna do it like a proper dip because it didn't have enough. See, there we go. That's what I needed. And I'm trying to get this little corner that I'm touching right now. I'm trying to get that corner because that's the worst one. So I got this grimy little razor. It was brand new when I got it though. So when I first started using it, it was brand new. And I would use a brand new razor because you don't want to use like a used razor. And then maybe maybe mess up the actual glass because I'm touching glass right now. So I'm gonna touch. I think I already got it, dude, because I thought there was a resistance right here, and I think there is. I feel something, but nothing's coming off. And I think that's the cleanest it's gonna get. Now, I am gonna stop scraping this because I noticed that I'm like getting frustrated trying to find more glue or film with glue and residue of the Q-tips. So I'm really trying to like find something, but I don't. I see a little bit, but not to the point where, you know, I'm like, yeah, this is gonna mess up my install of the polarizer. So basically all you really need, like I said, is that napkin rolled up. You dip it inside the isopropyl alcohol at 91%. You dip it in there, you douse it like I showed you in the beginning, and then you just scrape it with the blade, with the free blade, like free off the knife, and just basically scrape it. And this trick that I used for the blade was from another video, which I hope I get to find and post. I'm gonna put on a playlist on my YouTube of all the videos that I found concerning LCD screens. But I am gonna put mine first, and I will comment because for some reason I can't really put it on the description of the video that I post, and I cannot edit it and post another link. So I'm gonna try to post it on my comment section so that you guys can see. But this thing is clean. Like there's no other residue. And I thought there was, but it seems like it's clean. This cloth right here is specifically for dust, and I'm using it to clean this screen. Now, before you fire up your MPC after dousing it with alcohol, make sure you wait at least 10 to 20 minutes. because you don't want this film to have residue of alcohol, and then you fire it up and then it fries. You don't want to fry it, dude. Just wait a little bit, just wait a little bit, don't worry. I got a little fan going that I got from Temu for $10, which I was ripped off, but hey, look, it saved me $85 off of eBay to replace a new LCD screen, so I ain't even tripping. So it's clean, dude, And if you see my other video, you'll see how much gunk I had to take out. I have other videos, but I don't know, I cuss a lot, and I know there's people that don't like cussing, so I don't really know if I'm gonna upload it, but it's clean, dude. It's the cleanest that I could get it. I know there's like a little bit of dust, and it's pissing me off. Like I need one of those there's one thing right here that I'm looking at, and it's just like a little speck, and it's really pissing me off. It's really pissing me off, like bad pissing me off. Like I don't want to see it, because then I'm gonna look at it and stare at it when I'm making a beat, and it's just gonna distract me, because like it's really messing me up right now. I'm gonna have a nervous breakdown. I'm just kidding. No, but I see something right there. I don't know if it's under it. Get off. Yeah, I know this must be for me because I didn't see it there before. Whatever. I'm just gonna have to live with it. I'm just gonna have to live with it. Okay, so this next video I'm gonna post with installing the film. Fuck it.